Hey guys, I'm back again for another quick tutorial. I asked you guys what you would want to see next, and I had my cousin Rebecca. Hey girl. She wanted me to show you guys how to do a simple everyday eyeshadow look. So I don't know how to do simple, girl, but I'm gonna try. But I got it. We will try together and see how it looks. But let's be real, it's gonna look good. So it's fine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share with all your friends. Today, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Best Year Ever eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. And it's so pretty. Look at all those colors. So let's get started. And I'm sorry, I have to move because the sun is right here and it keeps like making this weird thing. Okay, let's prime the eyes. I told you guys this thing is my favorite. Let's just put a little bit. I'm gonna do one eye and then I'll show you guys at the end what both eyes look like. So just prime it all over. There we go. It's ready. Okay, and you're gonna grab a brush like this, and this is a Sigma in E55. And I realize that not all of you guys have this palette, but just try to like find a color that kind of looks like it. It's fine. I'm gonna be using Good Girl, which is like a beigey color. It has like a yellow undertone. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna tap tap tap, and then you're gonna click off the excess and just tap it onto your lid here. You're not gonna go any higher. You're just gonna tap it on. It's very light, it's very subtle, and I'm assuming that's what Rebecca's looking for, right? Yeah. Girl, we're done. I'm just kidding. We're not. Okay. And then you're gonna grab a brush that kind of looks like this. This one I got in my Ipsy bag and it says it's a Basanti. I don't know. We're gonna give it a try. And you're gonna go in with that color. That one's called Coffee First. And again, if you don't have this palette, it's like a brown. And it look like, for real, it looks like it has like some red undertone. It's really pretty. And I feel like browns are usually like a very everyday kind of look. So let's just go in like this. Again, shake off the excess. And you're just gonna go at the crease. Like so. Don't go like all crazy going like this. Just go a little bit, little by little. Just keep doing this. And then just little by little keep bringing it in, but don't go all the way. Like stop like, what is this? Almost halfway. Okay. Like that. Okay. And grab a little bit more, shake it off, and kind of like do one of these. Okay, you see that? Okay. You're gonna go in with a brush that has a head like this. Don't mind that it's dirty. And you're gonna go in with this color. That one is called Good as Gold from the palette. If you don't have this palette, again, just try to use one that has like a little shimmery gold. Some people call it metallic, maybe? I don't. I call it shimmery. Shake it off. And then you're just going to kind of stay here in this outer corner. And then I go in circles. And then just do that. Just to add some attitude. Just go like that. Then I'm just bringing this in a little closer just because we already filled this up a little bit and now I want to bring it in. Okay. Okay. If you have something like this one, this is Sigma in 835, and just kind of go like that. And see, and then it's just like all faded very nicely. And then I'm going to go back in with this one, and then just whatever's left there, I'm going to go in circles again, and then just kind of come in a little bit more. With this one, I'm going to grab some more coffee first, and then just go in a little bit more. And then go in more, like 3/4 of the way. So that's the goal. Okay. Let's see how I look. So with this one, just kind of go in a little bit more like this. Then with this one, whatever's left over, just keep packing it on. And then let's grab this clean one and then just kind of blend it all together right here. All right. So let me bring you a little closer. This is what it looks like. Obviously, I look ridiculous right now because none of my face is done besides this eye. So I'm going to finish the rest of it off camera. And once I'm done, I'll come back and show you. Okay, guys, here is a finished look. I kept it as simple as I could. And I told you, girl, I ain't very simple. But in hopes of keeping it simple, I made a really little wing eyeliner, and I kept the eyelashes very simple as well. I finished it off with the nude lipstick, and just so you know, I grabbed this brush with the shimmery gold eyeshadow and I put it on my lash line just to finish off the look. And everything that is on my face, it will be down below. And again, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe and share away. Also, just feel free to let me know anything else you want to see. Okay?